Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood and Roses on bass. We'll start with the main riff, which is the backbone of the song. You'll primarily use the low E string, playing an open E, then the 3rd fret, and then the 2nd fret. Focus on a consistent 8th note feel to capture the driving energy. This riff repeats often, so mastering it early is key to playing the entire song smoothly and confidently. Moving into the verse, the bass line simplifies, primarily following the root notes of the chords. It's crucial to maintain a steady, driving rhythm here, providing a solid foundation for the other instruments. As you approach the pre-chorus, there's a subtle shift in the pattern, adding a touch of anticipation. Aim for a clean, articulate tone to ensure every note cuts through the mix effectively. The chorus brings a more active and melodic bass line, adding energy to the song's hook. You'll notice a slightly higher register and more movement across the strings. The bridge section then offers a unique rhythmic pattern, providing a brief but impactful change of pace. Remember to adjust your dynamics, playing with more intensity in the chorus and a slightly different feel in the bridge to match the song's emotional arc. To truly nail the sound, consider tuning your bass to E-flat, which is how the original recording was done. Many players find that using a pick helps achieve that signature aggressive, punchy tone. For practice, start slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing your speed. Focus on precision and consistency in your picking hand and fretting hand. Regular practice will ensure you master every nuance of this fantastic bass line.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.